Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Dr. Berg's recommendations for magnesium. We'll cover why this vital mineral is so important for your body's daily functions. You'll learn about the best forms to consider, how much to take, and practical tips for optimal absorption. Understanding these steps can significantly impact your overall well-being, helping you feel more energized and balanced. Magnesium is truly a powerhouse mineral, involved in hundreds of biochemical reactions. It's essential for everything from energy production to maintaining a calm nervous system. Think about muscle relaxation, nerve transmission, and even keeping your heart beating steadily. Magnesium plays a critical role in all these processes. Ensuring adequate intake can profoundly impact your daily health. When it comes to choosing magnesium, Dr. Berg highly recommends magnesium glycinate due to its excellent absorption and gentle effect on the stomach. For general health, men typically need between 400 and 420 milligrams, while women require 310 to 360 milligrams daily. You might consider a maintenance dose of 400 milligrams of glycinate, potentially increasing to 800 milligrams spread throughout the day for therapeutic benefits. To get the most out of your magnesium, Dr. Berg suggests a few key practices. Taking your supplement with a light snack can enhance absorption and minimize any stomach discomfort. It's also wise to be mindful of factors that can deplete magnesium, such as high calcium intake, alcohol, and refined foods. Some supplements include vitamin D3 and B6, which work synergistically to boost effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.